Open almost any furniture catalog in America or Europe, and somewhere on the box it says, Made in Vietnam. It's the world's second largest furniture exporter, after only China, and a remarkable share of it flows out of a single province. Vietnam ships around $15 billion of furniture and home goods a year. More than 80% of everything its factories make is built for export, and the United States alone buys 7 to 8 billion of it. This is a country that furnishes other people's living rooms. And the engine has an address, Binh Duong, the province just north of Ho Chi Minh City that locals call the furniture capital. Together with Dong Nai and the city itself, it forms one of the densest furniture manufacturing clusters on the planet. Thousands of factories, from dining sets to outdoor teak. Its quiet advantage is wood. Vietnam grows its own, fast-growing acacia, rubberwood from retired rubber plantations, and premium plantation teak, much of it FSC certified. While many rivals import their timber, Vietnamese furniture often starts in Vietnamese soil. That's lower cost and its traceability. Which matters more than ever. Wood is one of the commodities under Europe's new deforestation law from December 2026, and the EUDR Lacey Act already demands proof of legal harvest. The furniture makers who can hand you that paperwork, species, origin, certificates, aren't a compliance risk. They're the ones who keep shipping. They're the ones who keep... Add the trade math. The EU-Vietnam deal is taking furniture tariffs to zero for European buyers, and US tariffs on Chinese goods leave Vietnam with a clear duty edge for Americans. Competitive labor, homegrown wood, and a duty advantage, that's why the furniture aisle keeps saying Vietnam. If you're sourcing furniture or home goods, start with suppliers whose wood and certificates are already verified. We track them at Trade with Viet.